I can't believe he didn't cry during Titanic. Do men even have feelings?
But I won't let you down.
You need to stop everything. This needs to stop now. This is not okay. This needs to stop now.
All right, important question for our friendship. When you go to the movie theater, do you ask for extra butter or regular butter or no butter?
I put M&Ms with the popcorn.
All right, I'm going to remove George from this call.
Hold on, please. You didn't give Mans the chance to explain himself.